Hey, it's Caroline. Today I'm showing you this super easy everyday look. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna start with Luscious as my base. I love using these kind of shiny shadows as my base. It gives you kind of a glow from within kind of look. Should I zoom in? I've never done this before. Okay, let's see. Alright, so Luscious going on first. Let's get the other eye. And I'm fresh out of the shower, so please excuse my wet hair. Next, I'm gonna use just Peachy. And this is gonna give me a nice touch of pink. Next, I want a little more pink, so I'm gonna use Candied Peach. And for this, I'm gonna use my finger for the best color payoff. Next, I'm using Summer Yum. This is my favorite brown. And this is just going to go on the outside corner of my eyes. I'm also just gonna bring it in a little bit. Okay, now I'm taking my blending brush, no product, and I'm just going to blend that out in the corner because we do not want any harsh lines of eyeshadow. Okay, let's move on. I'm gonna take Bellini. And I want a little bit of shine, so I'm gonna use this color and place it Angel. And I'm just gonna use my finger to put this right on top of my eyeshadow. It's not going to go everywhere, it's just going right in the center here. And other eye, right in the center. And then I'm just going to spread that out a little bit. Let's move on to liner. I pretty much have the same routine for my eyeliner every day. So I start with this creamy eyeliner. And then I gently smudge it out. So that made a nice base for my black eyeshadow to sit on. Then I'm taking this black shadow and placing it right on top of that. The reason that I do this is because I want to achieve a more smudged look with my eyeliner. So I don't want to just take a liquid liner or gel liner and put it right on top of my eyeshadow. I want it all to kind of blend in together. So I'm using this black eyeshadow and then I'm smudging that out. Just kind of blending it in with the rest of my shadow. And then I'm going in with liquid eyeliner. So you can either extend your eye by taking your liner out and following your natural lines, or you can go for a really sharp angled look. I almost always want to go with elongating my eye unless I want to achieve something a little more edgy. Okay, so I've just made the wing. So now I'm going to take it in. There we go. I know everything looks a little messy right now, but it's all coming together. I'm gonna use this brown eyeliner and just place it right where my black shadow and my liner meet the rest of my eyeshadow. And this is really subtle, but I think it makes a huge difference, especially once you put on mascara. You can see this eye looks a lot more blended in than this one does. Okay, let's move on to, oh, no, we're not moving on. We're going to use Get Lucky by Colourpop. And this is a nice gold. I haven't used this in a little while, actually. I pretty much just use this under my eyes. I just tap it onto my finger and get it right under my pupil. And using a different finger, I'm just smudging that out a little bit. And to help open up my eyes a little more, I'm going to take my Fenty highlighter, place it in my inner corners. Alright, let's move into mascara. So this is essential. So get your lashes from the very bottom and give it a couple good squeezes. And as you continue to squeeze, move upwards. And then your lashes will stay up. Okay, now let's use mascara. This is a waterproof mascara, Hypnose by Lancome. And whenever I do mascara, I also get some on my waterline. I tried using black liner on my waterline before, like a gel liner, but it would always fall off and just look really messy. But if you use waterproof mascara for your waterline, it will not budge. And I'm also gonna get these bottom lashes to open up the eyes. Okay, there we go. I feel like I should zoom out a little bit. Oh. Yes? No? I don't know. This is all new. Please let me know your thoughts on how much I should be zooming because I have no idea. Okay, for face, I'm going to use this Nars concealer. I have it in the color Custard. My video cut off. But basically, I put this on my problem areas. Here, 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 here. That's where I usually get red. But yeah, so then I used my beauty blender and blended it out. And I was basically talking to myself for a good while. And then my camera turned off and I was like, oh, it's not recording. I'm moving on to bronzer and I'm using this Nars palette, which is very nifty. It has blush, bronzer, and a little white shadow for highlight. I put on too much concealer. I'm so pale, oh my gosh. Knew I shouldn't have done that. I was just really generously like, you know, got too excited. And, it's okay, what are you gonna do? All right, moving on. Let's get some color on my face. I'm gonna use these two blushes. Then let's go in with highlight. I'm using this Fenty highlighter again. Usually after concealer, I like to use a translucent powder, but I just look so pale. So I'm not gonna use it today. Last but not least, let's move on to lips. This is a colored lip balm from Etude House. And it's a really cute pink. Here's the final look. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like or subscribe. And if you have any suggestions or requests at all, please let me know in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Bye!